Hi everyone and welcome to my new video here on my channel Italiano with Marco. Today we are talking about the indirect object pronouns. During my last video I was explaining you the difference between a direct and an indirect object. So basically if the verb is followed by a noun or something that is answering the question who or what, and there is no preposition in between, well, that is a direct object. What does it mean? So that the indirect object, it is something that must include a preposition, and it answers the question a chi, a che cosa, to who, to what. For instance, in Italian, let's take the verb to phone, to call, telefonare. Telefonare, we say to who, a chi, telefonare a qualcuno, to someone. So I would say, ieri io ho telefonato a Mario. So as you can see here, Mario is together with the preposition a, so to Mario, a Mario. Let's take another example, the verb to give, dare. Just like in English, also in Italian we say to give something to someone. So, dare qualcosa a qualcuno. Ho dato il mio libro a Lucia. A Lucia. Ho dato la mia penna a Marco e Giovanni. So, today we are studying the indirect pronouns, which are useful to replace the names that we have already mentioned in our speech, in our sentence. The indirect pronouns are mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, gli. Let's read again. Mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, gli. So as you can see here, gli is both for the third person masculine singular and the third plural. Okay, let's practice now. Io do una mela a Maria. Let's replace a Maria, which is like to her. What is the feminine singular pronoun for to her? It's le. So, le do una mela. Pay attention here. If you have a conjugated verb in your sentence, the pronoun comes before the conjugated verb. Even if it is like in a compounded tense, like passato prossimo, where you have an auxiliary, the indirect object pronoun or the direct object pronoun comes before the auxiliary. Okay, let's do some exercises. I wrote a letter to you. Ti ho scritto una lettera. He told us his story. Ci ha raccontato la sua storia. I'll bring you all a cake. Vi porterò una torta. He texted me yesterday. Mi ha inviato or mandato un messaggio. Okay, now you know how to use indirect object pronouns in Italian. If this video was useful, remember to subscribe to my channel here and to follow my other social medias on TikTok and Instagram. Simple actions that are really important to me. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao, alla prossima!